All right, I don't even know which camera to look at. Welcome back to Driven District. Today we are unboxing a set. I don't know if this is gonna be picking it up on camera. Titan 7 wheels. As you can see, these things are pretty light. Like right now, one arm is holding it up. These things are pretty light. They're 17 by 10. For reference, my car has 17 by 7. We're gonna be going up to 17 by 10, and the tires, well, yeah, they're getting a big upgrade too. They're going from 215 to 275s. Reason being, if you haven't followed the channel yet, is we're putting a wide body in the 124 Spider Abarth. Tomorrow we're gonna be heading over to Style Up Auto. And today we're gonna just unbox these wheels. I wanted them in bronze. If you guys know, I have the OZ Ultraleggera wheels currently in bronze, and I freaking absolutely love them. If they made them in a wider wheel, I would not have even bothered switching them out. But since I have to go wider, I don't want to add too much weight. And the crazy thing is, I'm gonna weigh them on camera in a second after we unbox them. These are the T-R8. They specifically made these for, I believe, the Miatas, which the 124 Spider built off the same platform and everything. They fit, it's the same pattern. They're 4x100, 17 by 10 plus 32 offset. And I believe the 17 by 9, they advertise at like 14.4 pounds if I recall correctly. So I'm hoping these can still stay under 16 pounds. For reference, my 17 by 7 OZs are 16 pounds, which is 6 pounds lighter than the stock 17 by 17s, which are 22 pounds. So dropping 6 pounds a corner, I was like, freaking awesome. But now I'm going from 17 by 7 to 17 by 10. And if I can still keep about 16 pounds, I'm gonna guess, I'm hoping it's under 16, about 15.8, maybe 16.2. I'm basically breaking even with the wheels. The tires are where I'm unfortunately adding 8 pounds per corner. So yeah, the car's gonna be a little bit slower acceleration, but it's gonna look freaking awesome when it's back. So let's unbox these real quick. Let's see what they look like. Again, these are the TR8 in a machine black. I wanted them in the bronze, but they are out of stock. I think it was 3 months or so. We're not gonna be waiting that long for a set of wheels. So I went ahead and got them in what's called a machine black. It's kind of like a satin black. Let's see how they are. All right, so let's clean up a little bit. These are the TR8s. We can see how wide they are. They are freaking wide. Let's see how they look. Ready? Hopefully this is coming on camera good. You're gonna see them before I do in person. How do they look? Let's see. Wow. These are beautiful. I like this spoke design. It's a simple spoke design, not too far off from the OZ. Just a single spoke. I like when the spoke comes close or as close as it can to the outer lip, so to say. I'm not a big fan of the ones that kind of come in and then have a thicker lip around it. This kind of plays tricks on the eyes and gives the illusion of a wider wheel, at least to me, because it does come out a little bit. So yeah, this wheel feels pretty damn light. I'm gonna have some close-ups. Maybe I'll overlay it on screen now, even after and everything. We can see where they cut to save weight around here. And if we flip it around, I'm gonna take a wild guess. Okay, so not too much weight savings back here, but these things are ridiculously light. Let's try and get them on a scale real quick and see how much they actually weigh. Like I said, I'm hoping that we don't add too much to the 16 pounds. Maybe, I don't know, if we're lucky, we're gonna stay under 16, 15.8 to 16.2, I don't know. I like this. It's not too bad actually. Being all black, I wasn't sure how I would feel about the engraving, so to say, see-through, but it looks pretty good. I like it. All right. right, we're probably gonna use this camera over here for this one. Let's see if I can get this to stay and not break. We're probably gonna have to put something on here now that I think about it. Yeah, how does this go? What, if I step on it, will it zero out? No, it's not gonna zero out. Zero that out, let's see if I can do this. Nope, come on, stay for a second. Do this one more time. Ready? There's like this perfect angle right here. I'm gonna let go. 14.8. I can't believe it. I cannot believe 14.8. We're gonna do this another way too, just to make sure, because if that's true, holy crap. So, ready? We're gonna weigh myself first. I'm gonna go sideways. 157.8. That's because I've lost like 20 pounds recently due to some health issues, which I'll link up here if you feel like watching it, but it's whatever. 157.8. Let's try that one more time. Yep, 157.8. All right. Now we're gonna pick this up in one hand, keep the phone in the other, just like before. Zero it out one more time. I'll hold it right by my side. $173 minus 173, 15.2. So we are between 14.8 and 15.2, just about 15 pounds. That is insane. So although I'm adding 8 pounds per corner, and yes, they are wider, I just can't believe that we're dropping a pound while going from 17 by 7 to 17 by 10. That is absolutely insane. Let's see if we can do this one more time. That'll fit right inside of it. Let's try this way, even though I believe it's a square. 15.2, there we go. All right, official weight, 15.2 pounds. For the Titan 7 4x100, specifically for the Miata 124 Spider, some other ones, 17 by 10, 40 by 100, TR8. Keep making that noise. These things, I'm pumped. So that's gonna be it. This was just a simple unboxing of these beautiful wheels. I cannot believe how light they are. 15.2 pounds for 17 by 10? When my OZ Ultra Leggero wheels were 17 by 7, and Tire Rack lists them at 16 pounds. I didn't weigh them myself. Dropping a whole pound, and you're going from 17 by 7 to 17 by 10. That is absolutely insane. I wish tires were like that, where you could like literally go from 215 to 275s and not add a ton of weight. But it is what it is. The car is gonna look absolutely wild when it's done. We're still gonna push it for more power, but it's definitely gonna be more of a looker now. It's gonna have the wide body kit on it from 300, which the pre-orders are still on the website if you're interested, if you have a 500 Abarth or a 124 Spider. So I'm excited to get the car back. It might take 2-3 weeks, give or take. It's getting the full wide body kit fitted. Fenders are gonna have to get cut and everything. The carbon fiber bits are going on. It's getting completely wrapped. Wheels, tires, it's gonna look awesome. I'm pumped for it, so stay tuned for more. Be sure to subscribe if you're interested in seeing the final product, so to say, of the vehicle. Check out drivendistrict.com for some car parts, some merch, and if I haven't said it yet, I might be giving away my RSX, and that has to do with my website and the merch and everything. So definitely be sure to subscribe if you're interested in that, and check out the website. I'll have updates if I 100% legally get that together, because if I do the giveaway, it's going to be 100% legal, and I'll be working with a third party that will be drawing the winner and taking care of all the legal work and everything. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot.